The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, while informing newspersons yesterday on the ministerial representation of MLAs from the Garo Hills and from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, said that everything has been done for the best interest of the state.
Yes, there have been a large number of MLAs from Garo Hills, but as I said, we have 4 berths have gone to Garo Hills, and 8 ministers are there from Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. But we are trying to balance things out. We know that, of course, everybody will have their desire and to represent the district or the region, but it's not always possible because we have limitations. And therefore, I don't encourage that it has to be seen that way all the time, that because it's been 18 here and 4 here. These concerns are there, and I don't say that they are not important. They are important. But at the end of the day, while we form a government and we work for the government, we have to keep in mind that at the end of the day, it is really about what is in the best interest of the state. And that should be the primary criteria to decide on how we move forward. And other criteria also should be taken into consideration. But at the end, the top priority is what is in the best interest of the state.
Further, Conrad Sangma announced the appointment of additional spokespersons of the newly formed MDA 2.0 government.
Putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet, apart from myself and Preston Tinsong, who is our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have decided that Kong Amperin Lingdo, Mr. Marcus Marak and Paul Lingdo, these 3 cabinet ministers will be the official spokesperson of the cabinet.